Okay. 370Z. Look at that, man. Look. Carbon from Vinny. Look at this, man. He bought all 370Z all the time, man. Look at this. Man, sexy. Look at that. Supercharged. Pro Charger. Pro Charger, guys. Look at that. Oh, man. Sexy. Sexy. What do you guys think? And then what? Manual. Look at that. Dang. Love the carbon fiber hood. Body's so sexy. Man, look at that. Man, look at that. Woo, baby. And this 370Z is so low, guys, so we have to use what? Mayer automotive towing for lower car. Yeah, look at that. So now back it in from Vinny. 370Z. Man, broke down today, guys. Look at that. Let's back it in. Man, carbon fiber hood and everything. Looks so sexy. Look at this. Sexy, sexy. Meyer automotive, so he can tow the lower car, guys. 402-641-7765. Yeah. To do a lower car service. Man. Get it down. Woo, baby. Sexy. What you guys think, man? What you guys think? Damn legend, Phammotorsports, guys. Yeah, let's get it down. Oh, the car's so low here. Ramp go on it too, guys. Look at that. Yeah. Oh, got that ramp. Lower car. It's going down.
Everything lined up?
Huh? Yeah. Yeah, let's go down. Yeah. Jeez. It's low. It's alright. Okay, that's good enough. That's good enough. Gonna take off the 420 R6 guy. Look at that. Hey, baby. Baby, man, crazy. Said no coolant cap. Everywhere, look everywhere, guys, everywhere. Oh my God. We're about to buy this car and with fam gonna test drive it, guys. Look at that, 6B. Yeah, baby. Woo! Poor man GTR right here, baby. Yup. Look at this. Let's see. Everybody gonna get jealous. Jealous. Oh man. Có thể thắng tài không? Yeah, look at that. Woo, how you feel, baby?
Look good.
All the gear good? Just take it slowly. That's it, guys. Slowly. Test all the gear. See how it drive, and see if it dead on us because if light flicking and everything, if the battery is low voltage.
6 speed.
6 speed, yeah. It's automatic rev by itself. Yeah, when you release the gear, it's weird. Turn back, it's okay. Chạy lên được 40 turn back. Ok, được rồi. Hút bài lên nữa không? Carbon fiber hood. Yeah. Brake gonna fly up. What do you think? Good? Nice, yeah. Very nice, guy.
Poor man GTR.
Poor man GTR, but the clutch are flicking and everything. Look at that. Turn the AC on, yeah. back to the shop, guys. Drive back to the shop. Let's see. Very, very, very nice. Yeah.
That was neutral on the rim.
That's weird. When you put a neutral, it's read by itself, guys. I don't know how it works like that. Drive in the shop and okay, that's good. So I have to take the cover out, take all the fastener out, and fix the hood latch right here on this side. Both one side is good, one side is not. And then I have to change the battery for Vinny. It's in here, guys. Yep, change the battery, doing that, and test it, see if it's good to go or not, and then send it to Vinny so he can sell it. Take everything out, guys. Let's do it. Yeah, all the fastener here. Plastic out, and oh man, they tie with the metal wire together with the front bumper, guys. Look at that. So he paid somebody to change the AC compressor and the AC condenser, and they had forgot to put the hood latch wire back. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Oh man, where is it? Look at that. It's hanging. There's a wire. Is the AC compressor new? Let me check if the AC compressor is new or not. AC compressor is old. I don't know if they changed it or not, but how come they charge the charge Vinny that is old AC compressor? What the heck? Okay, everything's done. So time to start up, guys. Time to start up. See. Yeah. Start up good, guys. Look at that. They were on the S mode when we were driving earlier. That is read by itself. Hey, look at that. Woo! Sexy. Yeah. Hey, nice one, guys, nice one. Okay, so Vinny gonna take the car, guys. Yeah, man.
Alright, ready? Let's go.
Okay, bye. Good luck. Woo, baby, 37 is gonna take off the pony. Oh, 6 guy. Look at that.